Okay, cool, guys. Sorry, I just wanted to make sure we're going live on my social media accounts as well as here in the Edgeful Discord. I'll go over the trades that I did take today. Make sure to join. I'm going to be doing these daily reviews, as much as I can in the Edgeful Discord as well as on my live streams here. I'll go over the trades that I did take. But before we get into it, and I want to make sure we go over a couple of Edgeful reports and everything and all that good stuff, right? Let's just actually make sure that we are signed in. Make sure to go check out Edgeful in the link in my bio. And then as well as I got some prop firm discounts. If you want to go check out the prop firms that I use, I'll show the accounts that I got some pals from this week. And let's get into it. Let's just make sure we are signed in. I did get logged out of Edgeful, yeah. So let's just make sure we are signed in. For the guys that are asking in the main chat, about if Edgeful, if it's not working and stuff like that, sometimes you just need to refresh a page. So make sure to you guys do that. And if you've got any questions, put in the chat here, and I'll make sure to get to them. But let's go over my trades from today. So first trade was the DAX shorts. I managed to get over the line on let's just get that up there on on my one account, and I actually did take a payout. So let's actually go here to my account at the moment. This is my Twitter account, and all here's where you can click on the link in my bio and get all those discounts, as well as the 7-day free trial with Edgeful as well, right? All in the link in my bio over here. That's where you can get that. So I'll go put that in the link over there as always. Perfect. Good to, got some people on the live in the Discord as well. Perfect. Cool. Okay. Let's go over it. So DAX shorts, right? Pretty simple. We have the London opening range high, opening range low. You guys know that I love using the opening range with VWAP, right? So I have the opening range high, opening range low sets in. And bear in mind, today was actually CPI. So we did have CPI today, and knowing that, I actually managed to keep calm, keep focused, and didn't take any trades in the London session. I saw we are very, very choppy. We moved overnight over the world stock market indexes. Overnight in the Asian session, we moved quite heavily up on both the European index, the DAX, as well as US markets as well. So we failed to clear those highs though in the London session. So I just stayed focused, stayed patient, waited for the waited for the CPI to print. And then basically once we rejected those highs there, which was also previous day's highs, which is that white dotted line coming across my screen, I got short with a stop at the half day, and I actually ended up getting full out of here. I didn't even get that full move. We're never going to catch the full move, that's for sure. But I actually ended up getting over the line to take a nice $2,400 payout on one of my accounts. Right, you can actually see that over, where was it here? So I took that with the FT markets, right? Pretty neat, 100K instant account. And then on those accounts, I also managed to take some of my top one instant accounts. So right now, I did actually just tweet about this as well. But over here, I've already taken 4K out this week with top one and FT markets over those two accounts. And then I've also got the balances of those 3 top one trader accounts as well. So other accounts that I lost the one account because when you take a full payout, I didn't want to leave a buffer in, so I just took the full payout. So I've only got 3 accounts left with top one instant accounts, but I'm up over 3,000 there, 2,500 here, and $400 there. And then I'm looking to take another 3 top one accounts, top one futures accounts, 150Ks. I don't know what your guys' thoughts are, but I'm looking to take a little bit of a bigger balance out of the 150Ks and look to get some nice payouts there that side too. So that's my plan going forward. But yeah, I think a really, really sweet trade in terms of that perspective of, yeah. So I'll take that, to get over the line and get that payout done. And also, as mentioned, like on that account, I think what was also quite cool to see on that payout that I did take was I actually traded like for 8 or 9 trading days, and it was green almost every single. Yeah, I was green every single one of them. Now these trades are incorrect. There's something wrong with the dashboard. It's not showing the incorrect amount of trades. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 trades. I made 5K. I'm allowed to take 50% out, and then they reset your balance. So really, really solid. I'll take that every single day in the week. And then, as I said, these top one accounts that you can come check in the link in my bio. This is the CFD firm, but also the futures firm. I'm looking to add up with them too. So let's go to my second trade of the day. Then was on the Nasdaq, and I see we actually are falling lower as we end out today. Interesting. Really, really getting a nice sell off here. But yeah, probably couldn't take any more because of those consistency rules. So yeah, my trade here was also pretty simple. So let's get up the New York opening range. And again, these indicators are with Edgefill, all on the right hand side. Once you have an Edgefill membership, you get the invite only, and it will come up over there for us, right? But basically, opening range high sets, opening range low sets. Look how we only get one break to the downside. We don't get a break to the high side. So that all break will work very, very nicely. I took the short there, and I got out basically here because I was like, man, I'm up pretty nasty across all my accounts here today. I'd rather just take that. So got the payout on the one account, and then I've put my other top one instant accounts up very, very nicely. So just decided to kind of, with those consistency rules, I don't want to push it too much because I don't want to get it too out of control, right? Like on this account here today, I think I'm up over $1,000 now. I'll have to go make $5,000. See, I'm on 36% consistency. I did $1,000 here today. So, I'm in a good position in terms of these accounts as well. I'm pushing to take, some really, really solid payouts and continue to push with top one CFDs and top one instant accounts on the future side of things too. So, just taking one day at a time. And something interesting, I also did see the Dow was looking a lot more bearish than both the NASDAQ and ES today. Look again on the Dow, how, just looking at opening range with the New York session, start of New York session VWAP, you break the lows here and we just fall away all day. We don't even come back into the range. I mean, we fall 200 points. So that's also something to take a note of, guys. Opening range with the New York session open VWAP. Just keep it simple as simple as possible. Hoa, good to have you on. What's up, Scott? RB, Fraser, what's up, Ben? Yep, good to have you guys on. So I'll be doing more of these daily recaps, reviews. But again, I think I'm on a pretty, nice run over at the moment. I want to be, doing, continue to scale up. So just one day at a time, one good trade at a time, and that was my trades today. So again, if you want to come check out the Edgefill 7-day free trial, it is in the link in my bio. Right, I've put it over there in the chat, and then any of your prop firm discount codes as well there too. So we'll see you on tomorrow. I've got pre-market prep here with you guys at 8 a.m. Eastern time, and then I'll always do a daily review at the end of the day. Getting late here, South African time. It is 12 minutes past 10 in the evening. I'm playing some golf tomorrow morning. So hope you guys have a good end. We are seeing some sell-offs here on all the world market indexes across the board. Yeah, in the day, the NASDAQ now down on the day now. Two kind of flat down, but we definitely are looking like we're moving off of those all-time highs at least at the moment. But yeah, going to be in a good end to the rest of the week. I think we have some more news. Let's do this. We got some more news to end. I think tomorrow we got GBP CPI as well as USD PPI tomorrow. So pre-market, let's be aware of that. And then Thursday as well, we got core retail sales. So just keep an eye out on that. I'll be on here in the chat as always. I appreciate you guys. And if you got any questions, let me know. And we'll see you on tomorrow. Cheers, guys.